Yo, what's up guys? So today I have made this really awesome chili paste which can be used for most of the dishes that I cook in my recipe videos. So say hello to some homemade, really awesome, healthy chili paste. It's so easy to make and it's a very important condiment, especially if you're making a lot of Asian dishes. A lot of times I use a chili paste for most of my recipes because I love the spiciness. And you'll find that a lot of Asian recipes will require you to have them ready. So I thought instead of always making it from scratch every single time I need it, you can always make a batch in advance and then keep it in the fridge. So today I will be going through a walkthrough with you on how to make chili paste. It really is super quick. Just need to make sure all your ingredients are ready and have a food processor ready and get them all together. So if you're ready, grab a piece of pen and paper and find out what you need. Alright, so for fresh chili paste, you obviously need some dried chilies and red chilies, and then you probably need some water and olive oil right here I have for the frying later on. And we also need some garlic, onion. I've used coconut sugar as a substitute for sugar and also some Himalayan rock sea salt. If you're ready, grab your food processor. We're going to first start by cutting